Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to know about external JavaScript functionality, how it can be integrated to your internal like a HTML web form. It's a very simple technique. Like see, integrating external script files has some advantages. Not only some, many advantages are there. It separates HTML and JavaScript code. First of all, it won't be mixing and clumsy, it won't create. And HTML and JavaScript easier to read and maintain separately, having the separate script is separate form and HTML is separate form. Which is a very easy to understand. Yes, this form is having HTML controls only, and this form is having .js extension form is having only like a HTML, like a JavaScript code only. We can easily understand and can speed up page loads cached JavaScript files. Very we can make it as a very speed up. And having two or more JavaScript files can be possible to integrate in a single HTML form. Not only limited to a single JavaScript form to integrate in our HTML form. Yes, you can add more than one, not a limited to. Whereas you have to make it as a limitation. Why it is required to maintain a limitation? If the particular, whichever the JavaScript file from external, you are going to integrating your HTML form, and which is you are not going to be using. So that is the form is not required to integrate. Why? It will be like make you to slow down your page load of your HTML form, and it will try to like finding some if it is there any like HTML controls in the file of external to be focusing or to be work on it. So it's not required. Whenever you require the file of external JavaScript or CSS, any external sources you are going to be integrating to your HTML form, try to avoid many and more, which is not using and which is not required. It will automatically show you and impact your page load of HTML form. All right. So simple, very simple and easiest way to like adding JavaScript here. Like see here the external file whenever we are going to be integrating like using the script tag script script tag and tab here and make it as in a source src attribute, writing the source attribute here and equal to you can write the line up for this thing, the path of external JavaScript file. That's it. It's over. Not to do much more. All right. I would like to show you a simple example which we have discussed our project as well. The counter project, not a counter project, and something is here. Industrious template page here also not integrated. Well, yes, this welcome script.html it is, and this is the things of JS it is not available. Okay, so what you will do is, yes, this project, counter project is having the JSS and all. Like what I can show you. Assets, there is a templated industries is there, no? Here you can find out the JSS are there. So I'm going to open index.html. See, this is the JS is having external files. Means these are the files from this JS folder. So how it is integrated to our main project? Let's say here scroll down and find out where the script is initiated. Going to the end, so it would be yes script and source src it is used with the assets, the folder name, this is the folder name, and the js, this is the folder name, and the jquery and the main util broken point, all of these scripts are integrated over here by calling to avail this index.html form. That is the way how we are going to calling and writing like a integrated like a separate independent JavaScript files where the JavaScript code is be at a single place and all the HTML code in the place of HTML form. When the form is loading, HTML controls will be make it very fast. Whenever the action is required, it will be integrated with the communication of the external file. So try to implement, always be try to use external JavaScript too. Don't write repeated code wherever you require. If you are using like external files, it's a big advantage you to having these external files whenever the same functionality is required in some other form. There you can making call it as an external JavaScript file and avail that functionality very simply. How we are written in internal code, like a internal code, the same thing is applied for JavaScript external files as well. The function, everything will be called. I hope you are aware of how to use and how to apply these external JavaScript files. Wish you good luck. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.